Hey, Matt Wolf here. I'm actually really excited about this video because Thrivecart just released a new update, an update that they say is the biggest update that they've released in a long time, and actually bigger than, most product launches and most software products. This update is sort of the same kind of development as basically making a new software. So I'm excited about it. They have a new cart builder in there, and I've literally not even logged in and played with it yet. This is my first time actually seeing it, and I figured I would just kind of record me playing with it and my reaction of it in real time. So I'm going to go ahead and click create product up here. And I'm just going to make a test product because I just want to see what this page builder looks like. So I'm going to create a new digital product. And let's go ahead and just go through these steps. I'm just going to go ahead and call it test product for now. And let's see, pick the owner. Sure. I'm going to go ahead and make it live. And I'm going to click next for pricing. This is just in a test, so I'm going to make it $10. One-time fee. Only purchase one. I'm going to click next. For now, I'm not going to put a bump on there. Payment processor, let's just go ahead and add them all in here. Oops, I don't want authorized.net. All right, so I'm going to add those in. I'm not going to bother with affiliate stuff for now. Fulfillment. Go ahead and enter this info here. And then checkout. This is new right here. Check this out, multi-step, single step, sales cart. You can build your entire sales page right inside of Thrivecart. Embeddable cart is still here and pop-up cart. And then you've got legacy, so your old cart designs are still here, it looks like too. But here's the new cart designs. I think they've actually even added in some more languages since the last time I've looked at this. I remember last time I was in here, at least last time I was paying attention to the languages, there was about 5 in there. So even more languages now. Let me click here. There's a design, edit the launch editor here, and then you've got your tracking code. This still looks pretty much the same. So let's go ahead and do a single step checkout. I prefer that over multi-step. Let's click next. And then it allows me to launch the editor here. And this looks really slick. This is the first time I'm seeing this, to be quite honest. So I can shift the sidebar to the left side or to the right side. It looks like I could actually change my sidebar color using a little color picker over here. That is really sexy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make it kind of a light gray for now. Kind of keep it like a polished professional look. Looks like you can change the color of this area here. I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Well, I kind of want it like a lighter gray maybe. Not a pure white, but like a, there we go. Something like that looks cool to me. Page title. Let's see. So this says SEO settings. So this is if somebody finds it in the search. You can actually allow them to index your cart, but I'm just going to go ahead and enter test page, see if it actually does anything. So it doesn't seem to do anything on the actual sales page. This is a test page. So this is just purely for SEO. It doesn't seem to be changing anything on the actual checkout here. Let's see here. So it looks like we could preview it in mobile or on desktop. We can actually edit the success page as well. I didn't even know that was going to be a feature, so that's pretty awesome too. All right, so let me click back to the cart page, add our heading here. Let's just kind of go the Evergreen Profits letter. Let's pretend that's what we're promoting here. I want it to be centered across the top. And then let's go ahead and save that. Looks like I could change the font size over here. Boom, like that. Font, let's go Roboto. Squeeze it together a little bit. And done. Awesome. All right, so a subheading. I could either add it over here, on like right above the contact information. I can add it on the right side, or I can add it directly below here. Thanks for becoming an Epic member. I'm going to go ahead and center this guy again, click save. Let's see, adjust spacing. So that looks like that's the spacing. I can't squeeze it up towards the one above it anymore, I don't think. Bottom spacing. So I can add more spacing, but I can't remove spacing. All right, that looks cool to me. Let's see, and then you can add some text. You can literally build out a whole sales page right inside of this thing if you wanted. Add all of our sales copy text right here. Oh, look at this. You can even add like images to the left with sales copy text to the right. Boost up the font size here to match the rest. I'm going to bring down the line height a little bit. Image size, let's go with a small image. Image alignment left. Dude, this is so cool. All right. I'm just going to click done on there. Let's see, how do I add my image? I'd probably click right here. And it allows me to upload an image. Let me see, what can I find here? This is one of our Facebook ads. I'm just testing, so let's see how this looks here. Use image, boom. Let's align the text to the left. Okay, so it is already aligned to the left. All right, so that means I want to bring this to the center. That's going to look a little bit better. So sales copy text goes here, and then you can obviously add as much copy as you want. That's pretty cool. All right, so I can add just an image. So I can make like our product image over here. Let's see, what do we got? Top 10 image. Let's go ahead and add this image to the right sidebar, see what this looks like. Dude, I am so excited to keep playing with this thing. So you can obviously add your box shot or whatever over here. Bullet points, you can add them to the sidebar. Looks like you can actually add them like right above the checkout right here too if you wanted to. Let's see. Actually don't want them there. So how do I delete something that I added in? So hover over it, click the little delete. Boom. This is cool. All right. So the buy link is coming soon. I'm assuming that's so like if you have a lot of sales copy here, you can have a buy link and the buy link will scroll down to the checkout portion. So that looks like it's on its way. Let's see. So if we wanted to add a video up here above the checkout, we can do that. What options do we have for video? So we can put the video to the right, to the left. We could center the video with text below it. We can actually have two videos next to each other. This would be great if you have like, testimonial videos that you want across the top up here. Let's see here. And you just copy and paste embed codes. You can embed from, YouTube or Vimeo or Easy Video Suite or whatever you're using. I want to add a little bit of spacing on the top there just to kind of give that a gap. And then you'd have your 3 videos. Very cool. I'm going to delete some of this stuff here. I like this so much. Okay, so there's our videos. You can add testimonials down the right sidebar. Before you had to have the testimonials kind of below. Now you can put them in the right sidebar, or it looks like you could put it below or above or up in the header section. Okay, this is pretty cool. All right, what else do we got here? So we've got image, video, testimonial, so countdown timer. So the countdown timer, it looks like you can only put it up in the header, which makes sense. So you can add your countdown timer up here. We can mess with colors. You can make it evergreen or fixed. Let's match the Roboto font, bring it a bigger font size here. Take the user to another page. So you can redirect them when the countdown ends to, maybe a different checkout with a different price. Very, very cool. You can throw a divider up in here, throw a divider down in here, like so. Guarantee seals. You can throw those up here. They've got a whole bunch of new preloaded guarantee seals. Very cool. This product is award-winning. Just like that. And then you can add your bullet points. Looks like you can add the bullet points anywhere, up in the header, on the sidebar on the left, on the side on the right, above the purchase price, and this is where you start to enter all of the things you get. This is what you get with this. This is also what you get with this. Boom. And of course, we could mess with the font sizes. This is cool. Text style, pointer. Oh, this is the bullet style here. So you can do a checkbox and a circle. Let's see. Let's make it green. One thing that would be cool for them to add in the future, maybe on their roadmap, would be to make it so you have your checkbox one color and your text a different. Because I like to do like a green checkbox with black text. Stuff like that would be cool. Obviously not a deal breaker. This is pretty awesome just the way it is, but that's something that would be kind of sweet as well. Let's see. Let's make it the Roboto font. This is a pretty sales page. And let's see how it looks on mobile. So it squeezes everything together here. It looks good. Let's see if I move this around up to the top and go here. It actually leaves it on the side on the regular version, but puts it on the top for the mobile version. So you can actually have the page have different layouts for your desktop version and your mobile version, which is absolutely amazing. That is so cool. All right, so the success page, we could do a lot of the same stuff on the success page. Thanks for your purchase. Let's go ahead and center this. I swear this is the absolute first time I've ever used this builder. So you're seeing me do this in real time, and this is legitimately how intuitive this thing is. Never actually used this until just now. You're going to love it. Obviously, I would not actually use this copy in real life. I'm just kind of testing stuff. Let's see here. I can add an image right inside of here. Let's go ahead and put this. Hustle and flow chart, 5 stars. We can add a video up here that tells them details about what they're going to get access to. We could put text to the right of it, text to the left of it, text below it, 2 videos next to each other, 3 videos next to each other. Oh my gosh. Okay. You can add testimonials right on your success page, which is always great for, further validating their purchase. After they purchase, they see other people talking good about it. It makes them feel good and more comfortable with their purchase. Go ahead and delete that here. We could add dividers just to kind of break up the page however we want. Add our guarantee seals back in here. Let's just put award-winning. So if we wanted to add that there, we could. And then you can add bullet points right in here as well. So very cool. I'm going to go ahead and save and exit and click next. And then everything else is pretty much the same as what you would normally have. One other thing I want to test real quick is I believe they've revamped the way upsells are done as well. So I wanted to check that out. So let me click on products here, upsells, create upsell, create new upsell. I'm just going to call this test upsell and then click next. One-time fee, price $12. Tracking, fulfillment, click here. I'm just making a test one so that I can go and build a test upsell page here. All right, so let me continue. So now let me go back to my products here and create a funnel. Upsell number 1 is test upsell. And then, boom, there's a new button over here that says launch editor. So everybody who is complaining that they didn't like the look of the old upsell pages, guess what? You can now make your own upsell pages. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go and move all of our checkout pages over to this new system. You're going to want to see this. This is beautiful. Crank this up here. Let's make it sort of a red so it grabs attention. Oops. Before you go. Let's see. All the same elements that we were just looking at, you could now customize your checkout page with. Look at this. I can even make this square or rounded. Animate the background so you can actually see the little thing moving. Background type, you can make it solid. Oh my gosh. You guys have outdone yourself. Alrighty. Cool. Well, I am pumped about this. Literally my first time using this, going through it on camera for the first time. I've never actually seen this until just now, and it is freaking awesome. So if you don't have Thrivecart yet, you need to grab it. We've got a killer bonus package for anybody who doesn't have Thrivecart yet. If you do have Thrivecart, get in there and start messing around with this page builder because it is phenomenal. I'm absolutely blown away that it was this easy and this intuitive on my first run through with it. All right. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you don't have Thrivecart yet, you pretty much have no reasons left to not have Thrivecart. It is freaking awesome. All right. See you guys later.